Alright, here's my unboxing of a cheap bicycle tool set from China. Let's see what we get here. We get a parts list, 48 parts. Let's take a look at the box. Thin plastic. Looks like this might break soon. Kind of cheap right here. Kind of breaking already. Let's take a look at all the parts that come inside. Hey, it looks like we got a couple spares. Maybe they mispacked it. Well, comes with all these: free wheel remover, cartridge, BB tool, spoke wrench, solid screwdriver, hex keys, free wheel tuner, all these different stuff. 48 pieces supposed to be. But it looks like I got a extra 10 mil and 8 mil wrench and extra spanner. So I got one right there. Got 1, 2, 3. So looks like they gave me a couple extras by mistake or something. Who knows? Maybe they're cheaply made and they'll break later. I got a tire repair kit. Yeah. Well, we'll see how long they last, and I'll try to update this review in about a month or so to let you know if they're actually holding up or not. Alright, peace out.